I work with the youth in my church group, and tonight we are making mini pies, but some of the pies we're making some cream ones, and so I need to make the pie crust before. So come and make that with me and knock 2 things off of my to-do list at once because I'm going to make extra pie dough for us, and I'm going to make little mini pies for dinner. So we'll see how it goes. So I've seen this idea on Pinterest. Hopefully it turns out okay, but you use the mason jar lids and rims to make your pies. While the pie crust is in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and make the filling for our pies for dinner. I'm gonna do little mini chicken pot pies, and then if I have time, we'll see, I wanna make some little mini pumpkin pies for dessert. Chicken pot pie filling. Let's start on the pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin pie filling done. Okay, it's been chilling 30 minutes. Let's go and roll it out. I've got my little mason jar lids on the tray. One sec. The pie crust, I poured the filling in before I shaped it, so it needs some work. But they turned out really cute and they pop out super easy. So here it is in the little thing. You just push up on the bottom so it pops out of the rim. Then you just take it off and you have your mini little pie. This would be a really cute little homemade Christmas gift. Here's the little shells for young women.
She's becoming Cynthia.